everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Maserati MC20. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium from Hotwheels Boulevard. I think it was new for 2025. Looks really good. Let's open it up and see what is it offer. So here is a quick look of Maserati MC20. I will deep dive into all the details. It still looks nice. Being a premium, it has got better details than a mainline, rubber tires, nicer looking wheels, and a metal base, which we all will look in a second. So here's the Maserati MC20, and as we said before, it's a Hot Wheels Premium, so you got good details, metal base, rubber tires, and nicer looking wheels. Let's focus at the front. So in the front, you've got some really good details. You've got painted headlamp, you've got Maserati badge, trident in the lower grille, which is also detailed, which looks good. And texture in the lower grille looks really nice. There's a splitter, and you've got some vents in the hood. It's not a front engine car, it's actually a mid engine car, so the engine is in the back. You got one single big wiper. I don't know why didn't they have mirrors. Sometimes I get surprised, like in today's era when they're doing a newer car in a premium and they skip mirrors. Don't know why. But let's move to the driver's side now. On the driver's side, you still get some nice details. We talked about those rubber tires with those multi-spoke black wheels, which look good. You got some badges here on the side. Again, the Maserati trident on the pillar. Some more arrow elements at the bottom in black. And I think it has a flush door handle, so that's why you can see small indentation here. I like the shapes. Maseratis are good-looking cars, so it looks really nice. Now moving to the back, again some nice details here. You've got painted tail lamp, Maserati badge, MC20 badge, detail exhaust, diffuser in the back, some more good texture. Looks really good. On the passenger side, almost identical details apart from the fuel filler here. And this is how it looks from the top. So you've got the glass to look at your engine. You've got this tinted finish on the roof, so blacked out finish on the roof. So they have used the same material but with a different finish on the top. Then there are vents on the side, I think, to get the hot air out. Looks really good from the top. Interior is finished in black, and the base doesn't really have any details. Overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting, even without the mirrors. A set of mirrors would have made it look so much better in my opinion. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.